So, my fans, if you look closely in this video, you will see that I am in my corn farm, and this thing is the rain or the sun. Let's say the sun, because when rain falls here once, the kind of sun that will shine here, you wonder if it is Second World War. So, but what we are saying here is simple. Some of them are doing well, some of them, not actually all, some of them, they are doing well. Then, some of them are struggling, which I know with time, they don't get choice, they have to live up to that expectation. You don't understand? Reasons why these things are stunted, not because of there was not much rain. Rain will fall once, then you will see one dangerous heavy sun. So that is why I was trying to make that video to tell us the importance that even everything will get importance. When it's in excess, it becomes a disadvantage. You don't understand? Yes, this plant, this particular how is it called? The corn which you're seeing here were planted directly under the sun. So if you have watched this video to this point, you have coming across my channel for the first time, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video, just like this one you're watching right now. So what we are saying is, the rate at which the sun is bringing, the sun alone, not the rain, the sun. Because when you come here during the morning hours to see the way they are doing, they are happy. Then, when it is by 12 or by 1, 2, where the sun is too harsh, it is as if something is holding them from growing. So I really appreciate the way they are doing, despite all these ordeal. You don't understand? So please and please, if you are a farmer, try. After you must have planted, if you are planting anything directly under the sun, directly under the sun, try to have irrigation pipes or watering can, so you can go out every morning and every afternoon and every evening to water them, so that as well as to keep the ground moist and then fresh for them. You don't understand? If you have watched this video to this point, that means you're finding my videos informative, educational, and above or engaging. What you have to do for me is hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime we post a new video just like this one. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.